Hola, ¿qué tal? Right, today we've got a new lesson where you will learn some excellent words, some, extra vocabulary that will make you sound more sophisticated and also a bit more advanced. So welcome to Spanish with Chris. So we're going to learn about other words, other terms to say sí in Spanish. Sí with an accent mark, okay? Because sí without the accent mark, it means something different, okay? But we will talk about that in the future. So let's start. The first word to replace sí is por supuesto. Por supuesto. An example would be ¿Vienes al cine? ¿Vienes al cine? Por supuesto. Por supuesto. So you can say sí, it's perfect, of course, it's basic Spanish, but don't overuse it. Try to use different words or different terms so you sound a little bit more advanced when speaking Spanish, which is important in order to progress. So the second one, claro, claro. For example, ¿hiciste todos tus deberes? Claro. The third one, no hay problema. No hay problema. This is another way to say yes, but we would normally use it when we are asking someone or someone is asking us a favor. For example, ¿me recoges a las 4? No hay problema. No hay problema. Another way, this is a quite funny one, but I had to include it. Because you can also use it, but try not to use it too much. It's very informal. So just to use it with people, with very close friends and family and stuff, but not all the time. Okay, you can say it once maybe. So the famous word is, but it's not even a word actually, is this, a sound, something like that. Aha, aha, aha. The stress is in the last letter. Aha, aha. By the way, talking about stress. No, I'm not stressed actually, but what I mean is, if you want me to talk about the stress and when to use accent marks, I will be making a series of videos where I will teach you how to know when an accent mark is to be used. If you want to know about it, let me know by leaving a comment, and also suscríbete, dale me gusta y comenta. And then I think I will get the hint that you want to know about it. Okay, it's gonna be a very good lesson, so yes, please, if you really want to know, please let me know. So yes, back to the word, not a word, the sound, ajá. For example, ¿te gustan los helados? Ajá, ajá. ¿Te gusta conducir? Ajá, ajá. The next one, efectivamente. Efectivamente. This is beyond formal. We don't actually say this word very often in Spanish. We would say it, I have said it, but very, very little times, honestly, in my life. But it is still important that you learn it, and just in case you hear it, or also, you can use it. You can still use it, but don't use it too much, okay? So, efectivamente. An example would be, ¿tú trabajas en una oficina? Efectivamente, efectivamente. ¿Estuviste en Nueva York? Back there, Nueva York. ¿Estuviste en Nueva York el año pasado? Efectivamente, efectivamente. The next one, sin duda. Yeah, we would use it when we are very certain about something. Like that something has to be done. You can't miss the chance of doing it. For example, ¿vamos a la playa? Sin duda. It's warm, it's sunny, Let's go right now. Yes, for example, that'd be an occasion where we would say it. Sin duda. The next word, afirmativo. Afirmativo. Afirmativo is more like robot talk. Okay, that, you know, a robot would say that, afirmativo. No one else. Okay, I wouldn't say afirmativo. Afirmativo. It's just, that's how robots talk. Okay, if you see a robot talking and the robot wants to say sí, he will probably say afirmativo. Afirmativo. You know, in fact, if you watch Terminator, I'm sure in Terminator, well, in the Spanish language, if you watch it, I'm sure Arnold, the Terminator, says afirmativo.
Afirmativo.
No. Tienes que escuchar la forma de hablar de la gente. Nadie dice afirmativo, ni chorradas como esa.
He's a robot, so that's why. Naturalmente. 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 Just the same. Sí, por supuesto. Naturalmente. It's just another word to say it. It's just it means the same. For example, ¿me abres la puerta? ¿Me abres la puerta, por favor? Naturalmente. Naturalmente. And the last one. Vale. Vale. When you agree with something, you can say the word vale. 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 ¿Vamos al cine? Vale. ¿Vamos a la playa? Vale. ¿Vamos a comer? Vale. Yes, it's just a way to agree with someone, you know, it's just another way to say sí. ¿Vamos a dormir? Vale. That's it for today. Gracias. Follow me on my social networks and also please suscríbete. Dame me gusta and share, comparte el vídeo con alguien que creas que le puede venir bien saber estas cosas o otro de mis vídeos. So, thank you very much. Gracias. Hasta la próxima.
Hasta la vista, baby.